Hello, my name's Emma Williams and I'm part of the SENDIAS team. This video will be going through what an annual review is and what it should entail. So what is an annual review? An annual review is the statutory process of looking at the needs, provision and outcomes specified in a child or young person's education, health and care plan, also known as an EHCP. After reviewing these sections of the plan, it will need to then be decided if the plan is going to change, if it's going to stay the same, or if it's going to be ceased. So when should an annual review take place? Well, local authorities must complete the first review of a child or young person's EHCP within 12 months of the plan being finalised. Subsequent reviews should be completed within 12 months of this previous review. Sometimes a parent, carer or young person may wish to request an early annual review, and there's some reasons why a parent, carer or young person may feel that an early annual review is needed. Some of them reasons may be if the child or young person's education, health or social care needs have changed and are no longer accurately described within the plan, that the education, health or social care provision in the plan is no longer meeting the child or young person's needs, or that the child or young person is at risk of exclusion or has been excluded. Parent, carers or a young person can request an early annual review at any time, as long as they have a good reason. If you wish to request an early annual review, it is best to speak to the SENCO, relevant class or subject teacher, and the head teacher or principal about the worries and concerns, as well as writing to the local authority. Now, when requesting an early annual review, the local authority do not have to agree to it. If this does happen, there are a few options, but there is no right of appeal. The options would be either wait until the next annual review, gather further evidence to support the need for an early review, and then make another request, or, if appropriate, request a reassessment of the child or young person's education, health and care needs. So there are many stages to an annual review. It isn't just one singular meeting, there is a process which this entails. So the first step would be consultation. The local authority must consult with parents, carers and the young person and the educational setting about the plan. They should take in consideration views, wishes and feelings. The next step would be information gathering. So information must be gathered from parents, carers or the young person, as well as professionals involved about the plan. This should then be circulated 2 weeks before the meeting. The next step after that would be then having a meeting. So an annual review meeting must take place to discuss the plan. After the meeting, a report of what happened must be written and then sent to everybody who attended the meeting or provided information to be discussed at the meeting. After that, an outcome will be made. The local authority needs to review the plan. They must notify the parent, carer or the young person of its decision within 4 weeks of the meeting taking place. In the annual review meeting, it's crucial that parents, carers and young people get their views, wishes and feelings across regarding the plan. It may be worthwhile to write some notes before the meeting or highlighting certain sections of the plan which need to be discussed. Please see our video on preparing for meetings for more information. So at the end of the annual review process, the local authority will make a decision and they will either keep the plan as it is and make no changes, they'll amend the plan or they'll cease the plan. If parents, carers or the young person disagrees with this decision, then they do have a right to appeal this. To find out more information about this process, please see our mediation video. Thank you so much for watching this video.